Hi, I'm Pam Carr and welcome to All Beginner Crocheters. Here today I am going to be showing you today how to do a simple slip knot and how to do the chain. These are the two basic techniques that you need to learn to start with crochet. And then I have another video that goes on to show you how to do the single crochet, and of course another video on the double crochet. And if you check my channel, you'll see other videos all around different crochet techniques and stitches and projects that involve simple hats that just involve a double crochet stitch, and I've got a dishcloth one for single crochet practice. So anyway, I'm also started out with left-handed videos, but now I know how to make them into right-handed videos. So today, just grab an H hook. You need an H hook and some number 4 worsted weight yarn, and I will show you how to do a simple slip knot and also how to chain. Okay, and if you like the channel, please do subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you very much, and I look forward to teaching you how to begin your crocheting journey. So the first thing I'm going to show you today is how to make a slip knot. Now, when I first started, there's some videos that I found very confusing, and I love this one that I saw on one of the videos that I was watching. So for me, this is what I prefer to do. There's various different ways, and you can find whatever works for you, because that's the rule. But I take it, I pinch it here with my finger and thumb like that. I put my pointy finger out and I wrap the yarn over and over. And then I put the yarn down here and just trap it in between those two fingers, okay? Then I take the thread and I pull it over. I take the thread and I pull it over. And then this is where I put my hook, and then I just pull it, and that is a slip knot. So I'm going to do that again. I'll show it to you one more time. So take your thread, put it over like this, and trap your yarn with your thumb down on that finger. Wrap this one around your pointy finger twice, and then put it down and trap it there. Then you go over and over, and then put your hook through there, pull it tight, and you have your slip knot. Now once you've got your slip knot done, you can begin to do your single crochet. This is, oh no, actually a chain. So once you've finished your slip knot, the next thing you need to know how to do when you're starting a crochet project is a chain. So to make a chain, you take your yarn. Now everyone has their own way, and you can watch various videos on YouTube here to see other versions of this, okay? But for me, I always take my yarn through these two fingers. This is just what works for me. I taught myself how to crochet, so this is just off of charts way back in the olden days. So I tend to take the working yarn. This is what we call the working yarn, the yarn that's going to be going over and over and over. And this is your little tail. So I'm going to take my tail between the thumb and these two fingers, and I'm going to take my working yarn in between those two. So take the working yarn, and then you can pinch this. Now the reason you're pinching this is because you want to pull that hole open so that when you want to go through, it's not too tight, okay? So you have, this is where you put a little bit of pressure, and then you have this yarn which is going to feed through your two fingers as you make your chain. So give yourself a couple of inches with the working yarn, and you take your hook and you go underneath the working yarn and you pull it through. And then you do it again, underneath the working yarn, and you pull it through. And the reason that you can pull it through easily is because you're creating this little space here, and you're making your hole nice and big because you're tugging on this constantly. Now, if you're getting too long, you can take it, pinch it up a little bit closer to your work. And here you have another, still got 2 inches here. You wrap it around your hook, over the hook, and then you twist it. You see how if I twist the hook, it grabs the yarn, okay? So you twist the hook, you grab the yarn, and you pull it through the loop. I like to pull it down a little bit, give myself some space. Wrap it round, pull it through. See how I'm not just pulling it like this. I'm giving it a little bit of room, okay? Wrap it round, pull it through. Now it's getting a bit long here, so I'm moving up my thumb and my finger there so that I can make my tension correct. And I wrap it round my hook, twist the hook, and pull it through. Straighten it out again, go around, wrap it over, twist the hook, pull it through. Now if you're wanting to go this way, it's not so easy to wrap it around. So I like to straighten the hook up so the top's pointing upwards. Wrap the yarn around again, twist the hook so you're grabbing it, and pull it through. And that is how we make a chain. So that's the first step, and I'm going to make another video that will show you how to do the single crochet.